All About Woodpeckers by Dylan. Bumper, tongues, toes, food. Woodpeckers have a special bumper that helps the woodpecker not make its brain go crazy. Woodpeckers have on their tongues sticky bumps to help them to catch bugs. Woodpeckers have 2 front toes and 2 back toes. Woodpeckers eat bugs, any bug that's in a tree. The end.